What's up, guys? It is Bernardo from the BTNHD, and yes, holy crap, this is a continuation of one of my series that I started with you guys, and it was all about AWS and configuring it with VMware Cloud. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. I did part 1, part 2, but I never finished the series. Holy crap, I'm horrible. I'm so sorry. So today is all about creating an internet gateway, which is part 3 of this little mini series. So let's get started. So we need to be inside our AWS console, and you need to go inside Internet Gateways, and then from there, click on Create Internet Gateway. Give your Internet Gateway a name. I gave it as VMsite-IGW. Hit Create, and you're done. Hit Close. Now you're back here. We need to select our new internet gateway that we created. Select it. And on the action button, we're going to click on it, and we need to pick Attach to VPC. We are going to select the drop-down menu, and then we are going to pick our VPC. We're going to hit Attach, and that's it. That is how we create an internet gateway within AWS, so we can configure it from VMware Cloud. Now in part 1, part 2, I believe I did the subnet and also creating the VPC. So check those 2 videos out. I'm going to try to continue doing the little mini series for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe. Share out the video. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.